Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this pending ad status on dubizzle. So when you start doing your ad, and some of them actually do end up going live, but the other ones end up as pending. That is because you need to go ahead and complete a payment. Now the reason for that, so let me select this option, just the light one. The reason is because once you reach a certain threshold in a month, because they give you different limits. So each user can publish 5 free ads in all categories every 30 days, except in these categories. And you only have 2 free ad every 30 days right here in these categories as well. And properties, you get no free ads, cars as well, and jobs. So they give you a first trial to publish the ad. Then after that, you have to pay. So all you need to do is just select a plan right here, and then you just go ahead and pay for it. So come here, click on pay. You enter your card details, the name of your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and then you click here on pay. And after you've paid for this, it will actually end up going live just like this one. And that is how to fix pending ad status on dubizzle.